Welcome. You belong to be here. I hope you learned something useful and meaningful to your life. I am here to give you advice on how to handle this thing called life and to make you a better person. Today's subject is going to be on how to read. How to read. I know it sounds crazy, right? How to read. What do I mean is not reading as far as the action. When I have people tell me all the time, how do I fit reading inside your life? I want to give you some points that I currently use and started with myself to make me a reader. Step number 1, wake up earlier. Wake up earlier. I recommend you wake up between the hours of 4 to 6 a.m. Why? That's when nobody's up with you. That's when your mind is quiet. That's when you will have the less phone calls, text messages, and distractions. You want to wake up first thing in the morning to do 3 things. Read, pray, meditate, whichever one you do, and work out. If you can interact either of those 3 things into your routine, especially reading, you will become much more of a wiser person. I read first thing in the morning once I get up, y'all. My average reading, I try to read at least 50 pages. Sometimes more, sometimes less. That is mostly my average. I spend the first part of my day with myself. How do you read is you must make the time to do it. Don't watch TV. Don't watch groundings. It could be fantasy, horror, or nonfiction, whatever you enjoy. Start your day off with reading. The second way that I recommend you read, y'all, and that you add it into your life, if you are a fitness guy, girl, if you ride by yourself in the car, try audiobooks. They have free ones. Libro and Hoopla are the ones I use. As long as you have a library card from a public library, if you don't have one, apply for one online. Post-COVID, you don't even have to go inside a physical library to do it. Get online, fill out the library card information. You get access to all its books and library resources. I highly recommend audiobooks while traveling in the morning or while you're working out. Those are 2 ways you can implement listening or reading inside of your life. The final, most important way to add reading and how to read in your life is to read as your method of going to sleep. I don't have a TV in my room. I haven't had a TV in my room since I was growing up. My family and I never had a lot of money, so I never really grew up with television. I used to complain about it a lot because we always had to share the one in the living room, and I can say that most of my friends have had a different life. But what I had to do in place of that, shout out to my dad, is that I was forced to read. People don't understand that reading was a way of traveling and seeing the world before you had things. If you are a child or a person that does not have many means, read. You can read and see things. You can read and travel in your mind. Before I go to sleep, y'all, once I go in my bedroom, cell phones on the charger, on sleep mode, do not disturb, and I read before I go to bed. This will help you self-talk yourself, travel in your mind. This bit of step is how you get in the habit of reading 100, 150 pages a day. I read 50 in the morning, most likely 50 at night. That's 2 times I read and self-talk myself a day. If you wonder how you do these steps, this is how you can implement them. Start small, y'all. TV out the room, quiet time in the morning, whatever best works for you. Remember, your mind is like a muscle, just like your body. You must invest in it. You must lift weights with it. You must eat properly with it. Your mind will do whatever you need to work it. Sometimes we live off mental candy, which is social media. I love social too. But it should be used for business, sparingly, or entertainment. Your reading, vocabulary, and lifestyle should be implemented, especially as you're growing. That could be finance, religion, economics, whatever you care about. Having your own library truly separates you as you get older and as you tend to grow in your field. How to read, y'all. In the morning, audiobooks, or at night. Use these steps to benefit you in your life. Use all this information, ladies and gentlemen. It is free. Do me a favor. Give it to someone else that is currently not in the loop. Subscribe to this channel, y'all. That's how you pay me back. I'm here to give you the free wisdom, free ways to how you can help improve your life. Check it out. Peace.